guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. So today's video is about the spring summer trends of 2021. Every year the trends keep on changing, but there are few trends which are there since ages. So I'll be sharing with you few of the outfit ideas and few of the trends which I like and I feel are really great to carry out and which anyone or everyone can carry out. So if you want to know few of the outfit ideas and what is hot in trend right now, do watch the video till the end. I'll be sharing with you few of the color palettes, few of the prints, and whatever is in trend right now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do watch till the end, and without wasting any further time, let's get started with the video. The first trend I'm going to talk about are flowy pants or baggy pants or culottes, basically bottoms which are really flowy and comfortable and baggy. So I have with me this brown pants. I haven't wore them a lot. I have only wore them like once or twice, that two for my shoot. I really like the feel of it. I think they are really comfortable and soft, and when you wear them they are like very baggy. They are not too tight, so you really feel comfortable while wearing them. And pants like this is cotton material, so pants like this are really in trend right now, and I think they are really great for summer or whenever you are traveling in summer. I'm a white tee and jeans person, like tee and a jeans person, but once you get the habit of wearing this kind of pants, there is no going back. Like once I started using them, I'm like, you know what, these are nice, these are comfortable, and I want to wear them all the time. So yeah, it doesn't mean you can't wear your jeans in summer, and I'll come back to it soon. So yeah, pants like this are nice. Next up, I have this mustard culottes. I think you must have seen them on my feet. Same thing, I haven't worn this a lot, but I really like the look and feel of them. These are basically pants for me because of my height, but you can call them culottes if you are a heighted person. They'll fit you really well, and these are nice, baggy, and there is very easy breezy pants, and I really like the feel of them. As I said, I'm a tee and denim person, but wearing denims during summer is a little bit uncomfortable, but that doesn't mean you can't wear your denims. You have options. I do wear my denims during summer and I do slay them. Yes, you have options like mom jeans or baggy jeans or ripped denims. Yes girls, you can wear your ripped denims. That doesn't make you unsanskari, that just makes you look cool. If you know, you know. So yeah, let's get the slack. So do make sure you have one or two baggy pants or flowy pants in your wardrobe. I think they are really great and are really in trend right now, and they are comfortable for all the seasons. It's not only for summer. I think you can wear them in any season, but they are the best to wear in summers, and you don't want to feel entangled in your jeans, like something is jakad ke rakha hai. Please do invest in flowy pants. I think they are really great. The next trend I'm going to talk about is my favorite, and it is there since ages, like it is never out of trend. That is floral prints. I think summers, springs is incomplete without floral prints. There was a point in my life I used to shop only floral clothes, like floral tops, floral shirts, and then I was like, you know what, I need to stop and invest in other prints too. So yeah, long story short, florals are really great. Every other person must be having floral prints in their wardrobe, may it be a girl or a boy. Florals look great on everyone. So yeah, enough of floral. I have two floral bottoms to show you. One is this short navy blue bottoms, which I think you must have seen me wear on my Insta feed when I went on my vacation. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. I'll be mentioning my Instagram handle somewhere here. I post really good pictures and videos there too, so I hope you follow me on Instagram. So yeah, these are the floral pants, and these are really nice, comfortable, flowy, easy breezy kind of pants. And I also have this pants. These are basically joggers, floral joggers. I have them since ages. I haven't worn them a lot, but I really love the feel of them, and I'm not thinking of giving them because I know florals are always in trend and I'm a floral person. I also have this spaghetti top, this yellow spaghetti top with floral detailing. This is so cute. I love the color, I love the prints. I really love this big floral prints. I feel if you want to buy floral prints currently, big ones are really in trend. Don't go for smaller ones. I think the big on your face kind of floral prints are really great right now and in trend right now. So yeah, I also have one more top which has big floral prints on it. This is from Lifestyle, and I love the color of it, and the floral prints on it are really cute. And I'm talking about such big floral prints like this are hot right now. So if you want to invest in floral prints right now, go for the bigger ones. I think they are really nice. The next trend are obviously dresses, like summer dresses. I'm not talking about t-shirt dresses. Like t-shirt dresses are not that comfortable to wear during summer. I'm talking about easy breezy dresses like such. Like this is the one I got from Myntra and it was love at first sight, especially the color. I think this color looks really great, especially in summers. And when I wore it, it was such a nice, flowy, easy breezy kind of dress and perfect for summers. You can also go for gingham print dresses. I think they look really cute and they are always in trend. So this one I got from H&M. I think H&M makes some of the best summer pieces, like especially the jumpsuits and dresses. I think you will get a really nice deal on them and you get really nice prints and variety of colors. So if you want to buy summer dresses, please give H&M a try. I think they are have nice collection. Make sure to invest in comfortable summer dresses and go for colors like pastel colors or look summery colors like bright yellow or green, something like that. I think they will look more better and they will give you the feel of summer. Let's talk about my favorite trends, and that is pastel colors. Guys, pastels are hot in trend right now. Like I can't begin to tell you, they are so in right now. If you follow a lot of content creators on Instagram or if you watch a lot of fashion videos, you will know everyone is into pastels right now, and I'm in the same boat too. Like I have bought so many pastels. I have few things to show you in pastel color. So if you want to start with pastels, you will know what to buy. And the first one is this pastel green top. Especially this color is so hot right now. Like I have seen so many bloggers slay this color, and there is no doubt the color is beautiful in itself and it looks really nice on everyone, and I really love the look and feel of this top and this color. So if you want to start with pastels, go for lilac and pastel green colors. Talking about lilac, I have one more lilac thing to show you, and that is this lilac shirt. I bought this from Only, and you must have seen this too in my H&M haul video, and it is a sheer shirt, so it comes with a spaghetti, and so you get two tops at least for me. So yeah, I love this color and I bought this solely for this color. So if you don't want to go for pastels, you can opt for greens or yellows. I think they look equally great and they give the feel of spring and summer too. Speaking about the next trend, it is there since ages and anyone's wardrobe is incomplete without it. I'm talking about basic tees, like basic white tees or any basic tees or tank tops or spaghetti tops. You must have few in your wardrobe, so when you don't know what to wear, you can just wear your pants like flowy pants and just wear a top over it or tank top over it and call it a day, and it will still look great. If you can want to amp up the look, you can accessorize it, and I can't begin to tell you, they are the most comfortable item. So yeah, I have a few tank tops to show you. This is a yellow tank top which is from Vero Moda. I wore this a lot. This is the most comfortable tank top I ever owned. I also have this white tank top. I have tops like this in many colors. I have in olive color, maroon color and yellow color too, and I keep on buying them. You should also invest in basic white tees and basic black tees. Like make sure at least you have two basic white tees in your wardrobe. Like white shirt and jeans is a age old combination. Like there is no other combo like it, and it is the most fashionable combo I feel. And yes, I have this white tee. This is nice, this is comfortable. You must have seen this on my Instagram feed. I made a video regarding this. I also made a video on my YouTube regarding how you can style your white tee. So if you haven't watched it yet, please do watch it. I will link it in my description box below. So if you're a college going girl and if you are starting to build your wardrobe, start with basic items like basic white tees, black tees or any kind of basic tees or tank top. So when you don't know what to wear, you can just wear them on your jeans and you can slay the whole look. Yeah, so that's that. Next up, we have oversized clothes. Basically, this trend is somewhat related to the previous trend, like having basic tees in your wardrobe. So it has become a necessity nowadays to have oversized clothes in your wardrobe, and oversized is equal to comfortable. Like this is what I feel, and just try to have at least an oversized shirt or an oversized t-shirt in your wardrobe. It really changes the game. I'll show you a few oversized things, and the first one is this grey color cropped oversized tee. I really love the look of this and I have wore this a lot, and as I said, comfortable is the word. I also have few oversized shirt to show you. I always tend to buy my shirts one size larger, this way I can wear them comfortably, and I don't like the feel of my shirt hugging me tightly. This is one of them, like white oversized shirt necessity. And I have two in stripes pattern. This one is in blue stripes and this one is yellow stripes. I think you must have seen this one on my feed, and this is what I have been wearing a lot since ages. Both are from H&M and I love both of them. Go for oversized shirts or oversized tees. They will make you feel comfortable. The last time I'm going to talk about is my favorite when it comes to summer, and I don't know why no one talks about it when we are talking about spring or summer trends. Are Indian clothes. I think Indian clothes are the most comfortable to wear. Like, come on, you get cotton kurtis, and if you are an office going woman, you must know this, that nothing is comfortable as an Indian kurti, like a cotton kurti, and no one talks about it when talking about trends. I think even Indian clothes are in trend, like kurtis are in trend. Let's normalize including cotton kurtis or Indian clothes as summer trends. I think they speak up for itself. These all other trends they are always changing, but summer clothes, cotton kurtis, khadi kurtis, that trend never changes. And yeah, I have few things to show you, and the first one is this sky blue uh, kurti, block print kurti. This is a whole set, and when wearing Indian clothes during summer, please ditch your leggings, go for cigarette pants, go for plazos, go for culottes. I think they are really nice, they are comfortable, and you don't want the feel of jeggings on your legs, like jakhane jaisa feeling you don't want on yourself. So yeah, go for cigarette pants. I also have these white palazzo pants which you must have seen me wearing a lot. I have wore it so many times. I have styled them in so many ways, and this is the best to style on kurtis, like plain white kurtis, like the white and white look with accessorizing. Take a shot every time I say comfortable, because every clothing item I'm speaking about, I am saying it is comfortable, because come on, comfort comes first when styling clothes, like we always forget about it. And spring summer, like wearing outfits in spring summer is always about comfort. Like, you don't want to feel hot, or don't want to feel drenched, or don't want to feel uncomfortable. So yeah, comfort is the word. And also try to invest in nice chikankari kurtis or light cotton kurtis. Really nice for summer. I love my kurtis, and that's why I'm saying that no one talks about Indian wear it comes to summer trends. So yeah, I thought of talking about it and thought of including them. At least for me, it is a summer trend. I don't know about others. Like everyone has their own point of view regarding trends. This was my point of view. So these are the trend I wanted to talk to you about. If you feel I missed out on any trend, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any video requests, please do let me know that too. I would love to know it, and I would love to create content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like, share, comment. And if you are new to my channel and if you like what you see so far, please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, that is all. I know, same thing, talking a lot. I will see you in my next video. Bye.